Stock marketing is risky, but when done with proper analysis, research and taking the risk factor into account, you can create a much better return on investment. Today, we are going to discuss about how to open a trading account in Canada. Let's say you have $500 saved for yourself. You cannot really make any big investment with this amount. You can't purchase a home, and purchasing an Apple product or a new phone is just spending your money. You cannot get any kind of return with this. So it is very good to learn about stock market at this age, since you don't have much capital to invest, but you still have some money saved. Purchasing a phone or any other kind of product is just a liability. While if you invest $500 today in a good stock, by proper research and analysis, you could make it $700 or even $800 2 years or 3 years from now. So start investing small amounts of your paycheck into stocks, and who knows, few years from now, you will get one of the best return on investment. But also be aware that stock marketing is very risky and always be ready for the losses. I use Wealthsimple account for trading in stocks. It is one of the most user-friendly and awesome trading platform in Canada. If you open a trading account with any other banks, you might be charged some commission fee or transaction fees, while trading on Wealthsimple is completely free and without any commission fees. Wealthsimple has two different kinds of apps. One is for portfolio management to manage your finances, and other is for trading, which we are going to talk about today. Opening a Wealthsimple account is really simple. You just need to have a valid Canadian visa, or must be a permanent resident, or must be a Canadian citizen, and must have a verified address, and must have a social insurance number. The app is available on both Android and iPhone devices, and once your account is verified, you can add funds to start trading in stocks. I'll show you an example just to give you an idea on how user-friendly their platform is and how easy it is to buy stocks. So guys, as you can see, I have downloaded the Wealthsimple trading app and my account is verified, and now we are on the listing page. You can see the top list of stocks, top 100 on trade, most active stocks, top gainers, top losers. And if you see the second option, you can see the list of stocks characterized by different fields. Let's say advertising and marketing, then agriculture, banking, etc. If you scroll down, you can see the featured stocks of current day characterized by different industries. Let's say real estate, then education, then advertising and marketing. You can see Facebook stocks, Salesforce stocks, and then internet. You can see stocks of Apple, Shopify, and it is really easy to buy any of these stocks. Just click on one of them, let's say Shopify, and once you are on Shopify, you can see the data for current day. You can segment it out for current week, current month, last 3 months, last 1 year, and last 5 years. The graph shows how much the stocks has performed in last couple of years. If we see in April 2016, Shopify was almost around $35, and today one stock's price is almost around $1,400. If you want to buy, just click on buy and enter the amount, how much stocks you want to buy, and click continue, and you will have Shopify stocks in your account. So I hope guys this video was helpful to you. If yes, do give thumbs up and subscribe for more updates, and start purchasing stocks, start investing in stock market as soon as you come in Canada. Just a very little amount, not much, so that it doesn't result in too much risk. Once you start following the market, once you start researching, you will get much better idea about all this. So bye bye, take care, and see you in the next video.